Meaning of entente.
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 Entente. Entente refers to an agreement or understanding between two or more parties, particularly in the realm of international relations. It often involves a cooperative, cordial relationship between nations that may have had previous conflicts or differences. The result of an entente may be greater diplomatic cooperation, increased trade, and improved relationships between the involved parties. However, ententes are not necessarily formal treaties and may be more fragile than official agreements. Successful ententes require continued communication and trust-building efforts to maintain positive relations between the parties involved.